What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Finance Man. You already know it's your boy. Let's to the EGO. So basically, guys, on today's video, I'm gonna show you when exactly to buy the market and when exactly to sell the market, so you can avoid making unnecessary mistakes. So yeah, man, before we jump into the video, please do me and yourself a favor by hitting that subscribe button and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Without any further waste of time, man, let's jump into it. So guys, you all know that the first thing that you have to do when you look into the chart is obviously identify your market structure. Now you can see here I have two types of market structure. I have my uptrend market structure on my left hand side, and obviously I have my downtrend market structure on my right hand side. So now I just want to show you the theoretical part, guys, on how to obviously identify your entry points, like when to buy and exactly when to sell. Now you know, guys, that in an uptrend structure, guys, you're only looking for buying opportunities. Not that price will always buy, but then you're only interested in buying the market because the market is going up. And obviously in a downtrend, you're only looking to sell the market because the market is going down, right? And whenever it's moving up, it's retracing. So yeah, man, how to identify your entry points, that's the key part. So within an uptrend, guys, what you have to do is that if you are in an uptrend, you obviously have to apply your trend line, as you can see I already did here, and then you have to wait for price to respect your trend line at least 3 times. This is called the third touch rule, guys. For those who doesn't know what the third touch rule is, the third touch rule is when price bounces off a resistance or support level 3 times and respects that level 3 times, and obviously on your third touch, that's when you're obviously looking to buy the market or sell the market, right? So let's make an example of an uptrend. You can see that here price came obviously once, tapped on the trend line, came again, tapped on the trend line, reversed, and then retraced back. And then on our third touch, guys, that's when we confirm that no, man, this trend line is actually strong, right? It's actually strong because it bounced off like 3 times, and you obviously have to wait for like reversal candlesticks and things like support and resistance if you have to do this, you see. And then that's when you can actually take your trade. So same thing with the downtrend, guys. You obviously have to apply your trend line and then wait for price to obviously tap your trend line once, twice, and then on the third touch of the trend line, that's when you are looking to capitalize on the market, obviously after you have your candlestick confirmation and maybe even more confirmations, meaning resistance level, right? So yeah, man, this is actually like the theoretical part. There's really not much to it. Right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys like the practicals of it, right? So you can see what I'm actually talking about, guys. So yeah, let me jump into it. So what happened on MES 100, guys? This is current market structure, so I just want to show you something. You can see the price here is literally trending down, right? You can see like it's literally trending down, giving us these lower lows, lower highs, right? You can like price literally just moving towards the downside. So what do you do when you see things like this, man? You just obviously try to apply your trend lines, right? You just obviously try to apply your trend lines. Let me do so. Clean. You can see here, guys, we have our price bounced off this trend line once, like I told you, bounced off this trend line again, and then obviously bounced off this trend line the third time. And what did I say? You should wait for the third time. You should wait for a reversal candlestick, like candlestick confirmations, of which we got here. If you can see properly, we have a nice indecisive candlestick, which is a dodgy candlestick. And then if I have to apply like support and resistance, right, I'd be able to see that here I have a nice resistance level. I'll show you why I say that. Simply because price bounced off here, supported, and then you can see like it came back here again, then it resisted here, even here it resisted, but it gave us a fake out, and now it resisted once again. And obviously seeing this, guys, this would have been confirmation that no, man, price is actually gonna move towards the downside and obviously just continue, right? So let me just show you another example, guys, so you can be able to see what it is that I'm talking about. Even here, guys, you can see that price is literally moving down, right? Like giving us these lower lows and lower highs. So price is just literally moving towards the downside. So we can identify this is our downtrend market structure, right? If we try to connect our trend lines, guys, we can see that price here bounced off this trend line once, bounced off this trend line twice, and on our third time, guys, that's when we actually looking to capitalize on the markets, right? So obviously, what do we wait for? We wait for our reversal candlesticks, of which we got. If you can see properly here, we have a nice pin bar candlestick, guys. If you don't know, like candlesticks and stuff like that, guys, they're all over Google, and you can like actually familiarize yourself with these candlesticks, right? And you can see like price literally drop from there, man. So yeah, man, this is just an example. Let me find another example of an uptrend this time, so you can be able to see that it doesn't only work on a downtrend. So with an uptrend, guys, you can see that here price is literally trending up, right? Reason for that is because it's giving us these lower lows, higher highs and higher lows, right? So if we try to connect trend lines and stuff like that, we can be able to see that, okay, now we can work for something, right? Because price here bounced off this trend line once, bounced off this trend line twice, and on our third time, guys, that's when we actually looking to capitalize on the market. And what happened on the third time, guys, we had a nice inside bar candlestick confirmation here, of which we would have entered our trades right over there with our stop loss being below, and then TP all the way up, and you can see TP would have been smashed. Another confirmation of which we would have gotten from this particular trade, guys, is that you can see here we have a nice support level, having our double bottom here, of which would have gave us more confirmation and more confidence to actually ride on this trade, right? So let me find another example for you guys, so you can be able to see that doesn't only work with this, guys. You can see here we also had this uptrend structure because price has been giving us these high highs and higher lows, right? So price has literally been trending up here. So if we just try to connect our trend line, guys, let me just do that quick. If we just try to connect our trend lines, guys, we can be able to see that, okay, price here, guys, bounced off this trend line once, bounced off this trend line twice, and on our third time, guys, that's when we're actually looking for opportunities to capitalize on the market. And on what did we have, guys? We obviously had a nice inside bar candlestick here, of which after that candlestick we would have gotten these trades, guys, having our stop loss here and our TP all the way to the upside. And you can see our TP would have literally been smashed, guys. So yeah, man, all I want you guys to do right now is just go to your charts and just back test what I've just shown you guys, because this literally works, man. Like the third touch rule literally works, guys. So yeah, man, if you enjoyed this video and you found value to this video, guys, please do me a favor, like this video, man. Let's get this video to 20 likes, and obviously please subscribe, guys, and turn on the post notification bell. Road to five clips, guys, you know, man. So yeah, man, and also let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. Otherwise, till the next one. Yes, sir.